There's some misinformation in the paint world, and it is that you don't have to clean your piece before you paint. If you don't clean it, and if it's dirty, it will come back to haunt you later. So always clean your piece first, and if it's glossy, give it a scuff sand and your paint will adhere to it better. You'll thank me later. For this vintage picnic basket, I am using DIY paint Cottage Colors. It is a line of paint curated by Jamie Ray Vintage. This is a one-step paint. One step meaning no clear coat is needed. You paint it, give it a couple coats, and you're done. It is such a nice, buttery, smooth finish. After the DIY Paint Cottage Colors has cured overnight, I try to let it cure at least 24 hours. I can then go right into adding the decorations to the piece because it doesn't need a clear coat. I am adding the Iron Orchid Designs Franz Botanical Transfer to the top of this vintage picnic basket. I thought the greens in the botanicals on this transfer would be a nice addition to the Juniper Cottage color that I had used. Now you'll see me take the white backing sheet off of the transfer, and before I stick it down, I rub the paint. This is just me burnishing the paint surface to make it extra smooth. The smoother your surface is, the more your transfer will adhere. And then I put my transfer down, and I am using the little plastic stick that comes with the transfers to rub it down. Now, since this is a picnic basket, and I assume that the next owner is going to maybe use it as a picnic basket, it could be used out in the weather. I don't know, but just to be on the safe side, I went ahead and put 2 clear coats of polyvine rated for exterior use on the piece. What do you think?